Hi, Sketch That friends. Are you ready to make Halloween extra sweet and spooky? Well, today we're drawing a Frankenstein donut with green slime, stitches, and the cutest monster smile ever. Let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and do the circle for the center of the donut. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make a dot on the top and the bottom there. That's going to create the height of this donut. And now I'm going to go ahead and curve a line out to the left. So this is just an example of proportions, right? Size relationships in a drawing. And especially when we're establishing these basic shapes, right? We want to make sure that we're getting those proportions down the best we can. Yeah, I think this guy is missing his brains, and unfortunately, he's short on sprinkles too. And here we go. Green slime. Using some wavy lines. So is this the cutest monster snack ever today? And you can see we have a little bit of overlapping. I'm going to erase off a couple construction lines here. Overlapping is one of the ways we can create an illusion of space, making a flat piece of paper appear to be three-dimensional. So Frankenstein's a little bit like a car. You can jumpstart him. That's what those little bolts are for on the side of his head. All right, it's time for the expression. Let's go ahead and draw a little circle and a white reflection. So we're drawing this kawaii style today. And if you didn't know, Japanese kawaii means cute. Let's go ahead and add that little smiley face. Yeah, this donut, I don't know, guys. I don't think it's scary. Only if you're on a diet. That's when it's scary. All right, let's go ahead and add the stitches. All right, now it's time for the bolts. So you're going to notice I'm going to draw 2 horizontal lines, and I'm curving a line out to the left. Now I'm going to draw 2 dots, a dot above and below, and create a foreshortened circle. Now we're going to draw those 2 horizontal lines again. Now I'm matching that line that curves out to the left. And voila! I wonder, is that the positive or the negative side of his bolts? I don't know. All right, so we're going to curve a line up to the left. Those 2 horizontal lines. Once again, let's draw the 2 dots. One on top, one on the bottom, and then we're going to make a foreshortened circle. We have those horizontal lines again, and this time we're matching that line to curve, that line that curves to the left. Curves to the left. We're gonna add another stitch right above his eye. I don't know why he's so accident prone. What happened? All I know is that they were trying to put an abnormal brain inside Frankenstein. All right, guys, it's time for outlining. So I'm just using a Sharpie marker, and I'll be coloring with Posca markers today, but if you don't have them, no problems. Just use what you have. We're using color as value today. So I want you to see I have an apple green. It creates a wonderful slime color. And then I'm going in with apricot, which is an orange color. Now with the shadows, I'm going with some brown. Adding a little bit of white highlights with the gray. Going with some green in the shadows. And I'm going with some ivory for some highlights on the slime. And just tightening up that outline. And there you have it, guys. Well, hey, I want to thank you for joining me today. Draw more videos. Let's go. See you in the next one. Bye.